Welcome friends to Sheetal's World of Recipes. Today we are going to make restaurant style or dhaba style famous sev tomato ki sabji or sev tomato nu shaak. It is a very famous curry in Kathiawadi or Rajasthan. Let's see the ingredients. For sev tomato nu shaak, we need 10 tomatoes, half cup sev, 3 tablespoons cilantro or coriander, 1/4 cup finely chopped onions. Onions are optional. 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon cumin seeds also known as jeera, 1/8 teaspoon hing, green chili pepper as per your taste, 1 teaspoon shredded ginger, 1 tablespoon cumin coriander powder or dhania jeera powder, 1 teaspoon salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. It adds the color and it has a mild spice taste. Half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon sugar, half cup water. Wash all the tomatoes. Chop 4 tomatoes in chopper. To make chunky tomato puree, we do not need a tomato paste. And remaining 6 tomatoes cut into small pieces. Now on the low flame we will put the pot and add 3 tablespoons of oil. In it we will add half teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera and 1/8 teaspoon of hing. Now we will add chopped garlic or the garlic paste in it, and we need to remember that we do not have to burn it. Saute it for a few seconds. We will also add fresh green chili and ginger paste. Always use fresh green chili instead of the paste for the nice taste. Now we will add 1/4 cup chopped onions. Saute onions until they are cooked. Once the onions are cooked, we will add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix it well. It will give beautiful color to our curry. Now we will add diced tomatoes in it, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt. Here I used 1 teaspoon as per your taste. 1 tablespoon coriander cumin powder or dhania jeera powder in it, half teaspoon sugar to balance the sourness. Cook tomatoes on medium to low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are soft and puree. In between, keep on stirring the tomatoes. With the help of spoon, mash gently tomatoes. Now our tomatoes are quite softened. We will add our chunky tomato puree in it and we will cook on the medium flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will add half cup of water and let it cook for 5 minutes on the medium flame. And in between, keep on stirring or it will stick at the bottom. After 5 minutes, when you see oil simmering on the top, add half teaspoon garam masala. This is the secret of sev tomato nu shaak. Always add garam masala at this point only to give extra rich flavor and the taste to the sev tomato nu shaak. Also add cilantro. Close it with the lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame until it reaches semi-thick consistency. Off the stove and cover it with lid for 5 minutes. Now remove sev tomato nu shaak or sev tomato ki sabji into the serving bowl, and always remember that we will add sev when you are ready to serve to maintain a crunchy texture, or if we add sev earlier then it will be very soggy and it won't taste that tasty. Friends, enjoy restaurant style or dhaba style sev tomato nu shaak or sev tomato ki sabji. It's very easy to make. If you follow the step, you will get the perfect taste of restaurant. Friends, for the new and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel, Sheetal's World of Recipes. Like and share. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.